Hadn't eaten any breakfast or lunch, I'm gonna go to one of my favorite places while I'm on this side of town.
A 3-cheese chicken quesadilla, anything else?
And give me a limey and a the sun chips. So this is my addiction. The smoothies, the limey smoothie, sun chips, and then. Hi guys, I'm about to upgrade my hard drive in my MacBook Air. I want to say I bought this thing in 2012, 13. I can't really remember. I think it was like 12 or 13. This is 128 gigabytes and 8 gigs of RAM, but my storage is killing me when I'm doing videos or whatever. I wanted to get a new one, but I just can't justify getting a new one because this one works fine. It's not the Retina version or anything like that, but it worked perfect. It actually is in brand new condition. Still has the, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I actually put a skin on it when I bought it. But I'm gonna refresh this thing completely. So this is what I bought. I got this from, I can't think of the name of the company, but I will put it in. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh well, I don't think that's the company. I think I got it from eShop, but it's a 500 gigabyte hard drive. Real simple, real easy to upgrade. We're gonna get right into it. So we're upgrading to a 500 gigabyte solid state drive hard drive. And I guess I did get it in 2012 because I just remember when I bought it, I had to put in the model. So I think it was a 2012. So it's old. We're gonna open this thing up, guys. I'll put a link in the description also to show you the exact one that I got. So this particular one comes with, of course, your manual. And also, so this is the hard drive, but it comes with the screwdriver to take this thing loose, screwdrivers, and it also comes with, forgot exactly what they call it, but you can basically you're gonna put your old hard drive inside of this, and I guess you can use it as a backup external hard drive. Don't quote me on that, but the cable. And I've had it for about a week or two. I just hadn't had time to put it in. Oh, this is the carry. I guess like the little sleeve that you would carry the hard drive on it. So you have on the back side several of these little screws here. I know these two up here are going to be a little bit longer than the ones that are in the other area, so I'll go ahead and take these two out first. Gonna kind of pry this thing open. I don't know how hard it's gonna be. Well, fairly simple. This is your hard drive right here. But before you take the hard drive out, you're gonna want to disconnect the battery. Pull it out like so. You have one little screw right here. Here, and you want to slowly work it out of here. And it's just that simple. So we're gonna use this later to put it inside that case I showed you guys. You want to line this slot up with this slot. That's this slot along with this slot. Action cams are not real good for these type of videos. But all you're gonna do, you're gonna get it underneath like so. slide. It should fit right in there real easily. Go back. We're just gonna reverse the whole process of what we just did. So we want to put So now we got the power back up. We're reformatting it. Connected to the Wi-Fi. Install. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this thing do what it need to do, and we'll have a part 2 to this video.